What's up guys, it's Speedygonecuber here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to build a Rubik's Cube out of snow. So firstly, you're going to build a large cube shape out of snow. So you probably need a lot of snow to be able to do this. It doesn't quite matter the size of it, but the bigger the better, so just try to make a neat cube shape. Once you have a neat cube shape, get a stick out and start turning it from a cube into a Rubik's Cube by scraping the stick onto the snow. Just like that. It's pretty simple. So just keep doing this on every single side until you have your own Rubik's Cube completed. Once you've done all of that, your cube is finished and you've finally made a Rubik's Cube out of snow. And I recommend you trying this out yourself. So I hope you all enjoyed this video guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye!